All right. Exercise 8E, there are two questions finding integration factor. Anybody any doubts in those two questions? I think the first one is direct, but the second one it is Bernoulli's, right? You have to divide it by cube and then take 1 by y square as z or something. No, it is dx by dy plus by equal to q. That mode. All right, fine. Section 2, there are 12 questions. Anybody any doubts in that? No. Everybody got answers to all the 12? Completed? You completed exercise 80? I'm asking you only. Yes. Not completed. Okay. Section 3. There are 11 questions. Anybody any doubts in any one of them?
No. 9th one, sir.
9th one. Okay. Anybody has any doubts in section 3, 1 to 8?
8th one.
8th one. Okay. So I'll discuss the 8th and the 9th. In 8th one, if I divide it x into x minus 1, I will get dy by dx minus x minus 2 by x into x minus 1 into y. Here x square into 2x minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay. So integration factor is e power integral minus of x minus 2 by x into x minus 1 dx. I think this better we use partial fractions or x square minus x derivative to x minus 1. Okay, not that. So if I were to use partial fractions here, maybe I can write x minus 1 plus 1, it's okay. But if I put x equal to 1, this will become minus 1, this will become 1. So I'll get 1 by x minus 1. When I put 0, this will be minus 2 by x. So I'll get x minus 2x minus x plus 2. Okay, that's good. Okay, so which is e power 1 by x minus 1 integral is log x minus 1. 2 by x integral is 2 log x. E power log of. I can bring the square here and write x minus 1 by x square, so which is this x minus 1 by x square. Okay, now y into integration factor is equal to integral q dx. So y into integration factor is x minus 1 by x square. This is x square 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 1 by x square dx. X minus 1 will cancel, x square will cancel, it's simply 2x minus 1, which is x square minus x plus c. Okay, that's it. At best we can send this one here. Is there any problem with the answer? Answer is fine, right? Y into x minus 1 resent x square, that's it, that's it. Fine, answer. Y into x minus 1 equal to x square into x square minus x plus c. Means? I did not understand what. Means exam. This time. Yeah, people will suggest. I don't think 3 attempts they are going to give. Okay. Because they are already giving 2 attempts, which are well aware. I don't know, due to COVID, they may do something. Okay. But 3 will be a little too much. But anyway, our government can decide anything. Some people say definitely exams should be postponed. Some people say definitely they should not be postponed. Okay, so all that issues. If exams are postponed by too many days, you will not have motivation. Okay, you'll be quite tired. Too early, you will not be prepared. So it should be right balance. But anyway, whatever it is, we have to take it. సార్ నేను చేస్తాను. All right. Okay, ninth question. It is not obviously dy by dx plus dy equal to q directly. So you have to go for Bernoulli's one. And that too not in the form of dy by dx. You have to write dx by dy. Okay, so the question was dy by dx into x square y cube plus xy equal to 1. When you send this one to the other side, you'll get dx by dy is equal to x square y cube plus xy. And now, as I said, always there will be two things. We want to bring this one here, this one here. Dx by dy minus xy equal to x square y cube. Is that better? Or dx by dy minus x square y cube is equal to xy. If it is this, we don't want any function of x here, so I need to divide with x square. So I'll get 1 by x square dx by dy minus 1 by xy equal to y cube. If it is this, I have to divide with x. 1 by x dx by dy minus xy cube equal to y. This is not suitable because already I have x, but I should not have 1 by x. This is good because I can take 1 by x as z. This will become dz by dx. So let 1 by x is equal to z minus 1 by x square dx by dy will be dz by dy. Okay, this is not suitable. Okay, now this is going to become minus dz by dy. This is going to become minus zy equal to y cube. Basically dz by dy plus y into z equal to minus y cube. So integration factor e power integral y dy, that is e power y square by 2. So you are going to get z into e power y square by 2 equal to integral e power y square by 2 into minus y cube dy. Okay, when we finish integration, put z back as 1 by x, we'll get it. 1 by x e power y square by 2. Regarding this, I can write minus y square e power y square by 2 into y dy. I'll directly apply by parts. Y square into, for this part, integral is e power y square by 2. You can see for this is a derivative, so for this is integral. Minus of minus plus e power y square by 2 will continue. Derivative of y square is 2y dy, which is minus y square e power y square by 2. For this, it is derivative nice level except 2, so it is e power y square by 2 integral. Because for this is a derivative, for this is integral. Let's see. Okay, so almost that, unless they express in a different way. Okay, they might have sent e power y square by 2 that side. First of all, it will become 1 by x equal to minus y square plus 2 plus c e power minus y square by 2. And then they want to multiply x that side and bring it. That's all. Multiply with x that side, bring one side. You can take minus common or something. You'll get the final answer. Okay, mainly it is Bernoulli's method, and in terms of dx by dy, not in terms of dy by dx. Okay, this is not even required to write. Just we are saying there are two ways, and this one doesn't work. Anybody any other doubt in the total exercise 80?
10th one, sir.
10th one. Okay. Actually, I have to take y square by 2 as some t. If somebody is not comfortable with this part of the integration, you can take y square by 2 as t and then apply by parts, you will know. Okay, I'm erasing this. Anybody needs more time or any doubt? Okay, 10th one. You right side cos square y we don't want. Divide with cos square y. 1 by cos square y dy by dx plus x into sine 2y by cos square y is equal to x cube. This is secant square y dy by dx. This you can get 2 sin y cos y, you get to 2x tan y. Okay, this is also Bernoulli's where you take this as z and this will be nicely dz by dx. Okay, so let tan y equal to z, which means secant square y dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. So this is going to be dz by dx. This is going to be 2x z is equal to x cube. Integration factor is e power integral 2x dx, which is e power x square. Now z into e power x square is equal to integral x cube into e power x square dx. Somewhat like the previous integration only. I can write this as e power x square into x. Question is, I'll get e power x square by 2 because the derivative of x square is 2x because of that. Into x square as it is. E power x square by 2 will continue. Derivative of x square is 2x. Okay. And now for this nicely derivative is available. So integral is e power x square by 2 will continue. So So z e power x square is equal to e power x square into x square by 2 minus e power x square by 2 plus c. Just this and e power x square that side, that's what the method given. Z is tan y and this will go to the other side, that's it. Z is tan y equal to x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus c e power minus x square. Any other doubt anybody has, or even this question solution anybody has doubt?
So 11, sir.
11, okay. Okay, before I forget, today evening maths counseling is not there. Huh? Other track is not there because MSK sir I think is on leave. Okay, so both tracks are not there. Today no maths counseling either MSK sir or mine. But anybody any doubt you can send me in WhatsApp. I'll definitely respond. All right. Okay, 11 x minus 1 by y dy by dx is equal to minus y square. When I bring this down, I'll get dy by dx is equal to minus y square by x minus 1 by y. So there is not much I can do from here, not variable separable. I cannot take it, not homogeneous to take y by x as z. It is not even in the form of dy by dx. I cannot even split it. So obviously I have to take reciprocal dx by dy and take x minus 1 by y by minus y square. Why? At least now I can split this by this separately, this by this separately. I'll get minus x by y square plus 1 by y cube. So I have a function of y and this everything is fine now. Dx by dy plus 1 by y square into x is equal to 1 by y cube. So the standard is not even Bernoulli is the regular dy by dx plus py equal to q, like the dx by dy plus px equal to q, where p and q are functions of y. So your integration factor is e power integral 1 by y square dy. This is e power minus 1 by y. So now the solution is x into e power minus 1 by y integration factor integral 1 by y cube into e power minus 1 by y dy. You can take 1 by y as z and write, or you can apply by parts straight away if you want. E power minus 1 by y into, I'll write 1 by y square into 1 by y separately. This integral is e power minus 1 by y only, because for this is a derivative, into 1 by y as it is. minus, this will continue. I have to write derivative of 1 by y as minus 1 by y square. And for this derivative except for the minus, so integral will be this only. So I am going to get e power minus 1 by y into 1 by y. For this, it will become plus e power minus 1 by y plus c. All the e power minus 1 by y, if I send that side, I will get x is equal to, okay, I can write here, x is equal to, I can send this one here, 1 by y plus 1 plus c e power 1 by y. Okay, they multiplied y further and they got x. Y is equal to 1 plus y plus c y e power 1 by y. Okay, total exercise 80. Anybody has any other doubt? So the right now in this room offline, how many of you done exercise 80 now completely? Okay, that's good. Fine. What about you? Last. Why? Huh? You're doing mains. Okay. But see, this model, whatever is there on integration factor, from mains we have done everything. Na? I said there's no difference between this question and mains questions. I discussed them and you can discuss this, you can do this. I clearly said. Lot of questions on this model we have done in the class. Okay. At that time only should have done this. Okay. I know many of you for sure you might have heard from the teachers many times. It is not that you do mains material, you'll get mains rank, you'll do advanced material, you'll get advanced rank, and you do IP, you'll get IP marks. Okay. All of you know, I think very well, for IP marks, you don't need the whole IP textbook. Am I right or wrong? Okay. You need the few standard things and then, okay. But there are some topics in IP itself quite extensively is covered. Okay. You can, many of you have this past year mains book. I separated formula wise also. Okay. If you look at it, many IP questions are there direct dy by dx plus dy equal to q. There are a lot of questions. Okay. To this, Sai Teja, how many questions are there on this model roughly? Dy by dx plus dy equal to q. You solved it, right?
Don't remember, sir.
Okay. I think you can see a stretch of 20 or 25 questions in a row, all based on out of our 67 or 70 questions. Around 1/3 of the questions are only from this model, dy by dx plus dy equal to q. All right. Okay, nobody should submit this homework today, but tomorrow I want everybody to submit. All right, tomorrow I'll remind you once, and after that you can submit. Okay, although different people are submitting at different time, it will be very difficult to manage all that. Okay, I think tomorrow is Friday, right? So tomorrow afternoon I'll tell everybody can submit between 2 to 4 or 2 to 5. I'll give some time, 3 to 5 during that time. Easy to manage, otherwise different people are submitting at different times. Okay, so those are not completed by tomorrow. Please complete exercise 80. Okay, I discussed whatever typical questions are there. Others you'll be able to do on your own. These are very, very important both for your IP exam and also for competitive exam, both for mains and advanced. Okay. Now you have to do exercise 88. Don't forget that. We skipped 80 and went to rest of the things. Okay. Exercise 80A, forming the differential equations. Whatever questions are there in the mains, half of them are done. So you have to do that also. And you have to do exercise 80. So please try to complete these two both by tomorrow. Exercise 80 and also in the mains material first 20 or 25 questions, half of them, even numbers. Okay, we'll continue with the advanced material matching questions and all that. And you should not forget, you have to also do mains material, word problems, miscellaneous and all that you have to do by yourself. Okay, advanced material matching, you can try if you have the book with you. Let's start in 2 months. Huh? First one you're getting different answers. Okay, we'll check. Okay, this is matching first question. I think they are not difficult, very simple. Y dx minus x dy equal to 0. You can divide by y square or x square. Okay. You can write dy by y is equal to dx by x, and write log y is equal to log x plus log c. So let y equal to cx. Basically, lines which are concurrent at origin, family of straight lines through origin q. So A should match with q. Okay. So key may be wrong. We'll just correct. Okay, b x dx plus y dx y dy. You can directly integrate. X dx integral is x square by 2, y square by 2 equal to some constant, which is a family of circles with center at origin. Family of circles, so B should match with P. C. Y dx plus x dy equal to 0, that is d of xy equal to 0. From that you can tell xy is equal to constant. You know, it is family of rectangular hyperbola centered at origin. So C should match with R. And this matches with R. This matches with x by y dx plus y by x dy equal to 0. If you do variable separable, you'll get x square dx plus y square dy equal to 0. If you integrate, it is x cube by 3 plus y cube by 3 is equal to constant. You can also write x cube plus y cube equal to some constant k or c, that is directly d matches with s. Yeah, so key may be wrong, it should be this one. All are very simple. A matches with q, B matches with P, C matches with R, D matches with S. Okay, next question is about orthogonal trajectories. You have some idea, you can try on your own right now only. Second matching. Okay, first matching is quite simple. This is 0, you can write anything. Please put on your videos, don't make us make this announcement again and again. Excuse me. Okay, first matching is very simple. I'm sure you completed. Anything? Okay, the second one, a bit, you know what, how to find orthogonal trajectories. First find differential equation of original family, and then find differential equation of orthogonally from that. Actually, circles we already seen it is family of lines. That when we have concentric circles, all these lines which are normals, okay, are the orthogonal family. Even if you want to write, I think we already done. X square plus y square equal to a square. That is 2x plus 2y dy by dx equal to 0. We'll get dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. So for orthogonal family, the differential equation is dy by dx equal to minus 1 by minus x by y, which is y by x. So dy by y equal to dx by x. So when you integrate, this is log y, this is log x, this is log c. We'll get y equal to cx. 2x square plus y square equal to a square. This is a family of ellipses. The differentiate will get 4x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by y. Then for orthogonal family, dy by dx is minus 1 by reciprocal of this, which is y by 2x. You can write dy by y with that 2 is equal to dx by x. This is 2 log y is equal to log x plus log c. That is y square equal to cx, family of parabolas. Family of ellipses. X square minus y square equal to 2x minus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. From that, I can send here. You will get dy by dx is equal to x by y. Then for orthogonal family, dy by dx is minus 1 by x by y, which is minus y by x. And then variable separable dy by y equal to minus dx by x. That is integral dy by y plus integral dx by x is equal to 0. You are going to get log y plus log x is equal to constant. That is xy equal to constant or log c. Okay, I can write here just minus. So log y plus log x is equal to log c, which is xy equal to constant. Okay, that is a family of hyperbolas. Okay, leave it to try to complete on your own right now. Is the second matching key fine? Okay, coming to debate. Y equal to ax square dy by dx equal to a into 2x, but in the place of a I should write y by x square into 2x, which is 2y by x. This is a different equation of original family, and for the orthogonal family, dy by dx is minus 1 by 2y by x, which is minus x by 2y. Variable separable 2y dy equal to minus x dx. So this is y square, this is minus x square by 2 plus c. So y square plus x square by 2 equal to c. This is a family of ellipses.
Sir, board is blur, sir.
Blood is blurred. What about for others?
Same, sir. Board is blur.
Can somebody respond?
Blur, sir.
Still blurred. Okay. I'll wait for a few minutes. Okay, is it okay now? My network bandwidth low, it is showing. All right. Let's see if I use Wi-Fi. Others can try matching 3. Yeah. Vikramaditya, is screen clear now?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Now it's clear. All right. What about Dhanush and Chandrasati? Is it clear now for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, you try third matching. Okay. Sum of subnormal and abscissa at any point is constant. I think length of subnormal is y into dy by ds, and abscissa is x coordinate. It is 2. Instead of giving directly differential equation, they gave subnormal plus abscissa is x coordinate at any point is constant. You have to solve this differential equation. I think in dbit there is some slight typing mistake. You have to, D and S combined, you have to read it. Okay. And we're coming to this. I can directly variable separable y dy is equal to 2 minus x dx. When integrate it, y square by 2. I can write this whole square or integrate each one. If I write whole square, it will be minus of x minus 2 whole square by 2 plus c. If I bring this side, I'll get x minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to c. This is a circle with center 2, 0 and radius keep changing it. Anything such thing is there? There was some typing mistake. Subnormal formula is correct, y into dy by dx. Subtangent is y by dy by dx, right? Okay, this is P, this is T, this is N, this is S, this is Y, this is theta, this is theta. Tan theta is subnormal by Y, so subnormal is Y tan theta, which is Y dy by dx. That's good. In fact, if I want to visualize this also, I can, I guess, if I take 2, 0 and take a circle, take any point, this itself is a normal. And if I take this point, this is the subnormal. And abscissa means from here to here. Their sum is 2, but here the difference is coming to 1. Is it because of some minus? I took minus common and x minus 2 integral is x minus 2 whole square by 2. This length is 2. What if I take a point on this side? So it will be only one semicircle. Y is coming that. Just a minute. If I take any point here and join, this is the abscissa, this is the subnormal. That's good. It is actually this semicircle, but not this. If it is this, then it would have been, whether to take x minus 2 or 2 minus x, it will be same. If I take here, subnormal, abscissa minus subnormal is 2. That is, from here to here it is 2. Plus from here to here is x dy by dx is equal to x. X minus, where it is x minus 2 or 2 minus x, same thing comes. Y, not x, sorry. Y dy by x. If I take point here, this is a normal, this is a subnormal. Of course, direction is also important, so there should be a mod also. Yes, that's fine. Okay, there's no problem with integration. Here there's a mod. I have to take plus and minus 2 cases. But even then, answer is not there. Anyway, let me give you this is mod and take the other case. This is case 1 and case 2 within A. Minus y dy by dx plus x equal to 2. Again, variable separable y dy by dx is equal to x minus 2 into dx. And that will give me y square by 2 is equal to x minus 2 whole square by 2 plus circle should come. What happened to that? This went here, this came here. Option S is not printed, it should be that you are saying. Printed? Oh, I think I'm using another version of the book or what? What is printed? I think the D should be the area of the rectangle obtained by the ordinate and subnormal at any point, vary as the abscissa. I think the D and S should be combined together. The statement English continuation. Otherwise, there is no rectangle. Okay. Okay, some mistake is there, but anyway, I want to get same circle equation even here, but I was getting hyperbola. Why is that? I'm just checking. Alright, I mean, you try the other part. Just exploring this. This is 2 comma 0. For circle 2, and obviously can be this side also. So when a point is here, the length is minus y divided by dx because divided by x is negative. From to so 2 minus y divided by dx is x. So I should be getting this circle only. So length of the statement is not right for this part of the semester. Okay. Well, in case you don't have to write, but there are some cases that we have to see. Okay, so a bit is a circle. We take as it is. Of course, if we take mod, you'll get also hyperbola, depending on the requirement. Okay, so next one is area of the rectangle contained with the abscissa and subtangent.
సార్ మీది లో నెట్వర్క్ చూపిస్తుంది సార్.
Still, once again that. Anyway, okay, this matching you try, and tomorrow we'll discuss. Next matching is very easy based on that okay shortcut formula that we discussed. Just a minute.